Here we are. Today we're going to be looking at cleaning up our computer. Cleaning up our computer. This is Windows 7 actually. To clean up the computer, do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop any video. Thank you. Okay, now to clean up the computer, what we're going to be doing, there are a few steps in cleaning up your computer. One, this is Windows 7. Actually, there are various on other computers like Windows 10, Windows 8, and so forth. So we're doing this on Windows 7. On Windows 7, what you do is that you come here to the start button, all program, you hit accessories, you come to the system tools, you come to clean disk cleanup. To clean the disk. As you can see, it is cleaning already. This is going to take few time. It's actually cleaning up the hard disk. It will take few time to clean up. Okay, good. Now we are here. You see there are a lot of things here. Windows actually asking how to clean up temporary file, download program. In all of this area here, at times you have worms, you have virus that actually comes and live here. When you come here, you have to clean them up. So you see clean up system file here, view the file that are corrupt. So for here we're going to click OK because we don't have much, we don't have anything actually troubling our machine. This is how you clean up your hard disk. Thank you very much. Stay with this channel. Trust me, drop your comment, your question, and this channel going to provide an answer to it. Once again, this is your boy Dynasty Teto Shuraleff. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon to be notified whenever I drop new video. Thank you very much. Okay, this is it. Final process. We done. That's it. Thank you guys.